Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? I am back from the dead. I am going to go over some. Let's get back over here, actually, over to my little presentation here. Just some basic stuff with Simple Engine for you today. I'm going to try and do a little video for you guys each day. You have to bear with me, man. Talking's still kind of harsh for me here. And I'm going to try and do a little bit for you guys each day, and then we'll just answer questions and fill in the blanks. Simple Engine is really, Jose's tracking tool is really robust. It does quite a bit. And you can really do a little with it or a lot depending on how much you want to do. It's put together really well. Jose just did an awesome job with this. I should say, and Felix there. So, anyway, blah. Bear with me. I've got ADD and a head cold right now. So, we're going to go over some basic tracking and just get you how you would do something, a basic link like a bit.ly link, so that you've got your Simple Engine link. Because once you're doing this with Simple Engine, you can actually track quite a bit of data. And it's also going to be the basis for future videos here where we teach you cloaking, advanced landing pages, so on and so forth. So to start out, we're going to go through a number of things, but most of these are for organizational purposes, projects, project groups, all that. I want you to just focus on these four things: offer, project, offer sense, and get link. Okay, you can screenshot this, write those four down. This is just the process for getting set up to get yourself a basic link in Simple Engine. This will let you track ads, keywords, all kinds of stuff, even with just this basic link. All right, so let's get started. Go ahead and log into Simple Engine. Zoom out over here. Once you log in, you'll be right here. Everything we do today is going to be on the tracking tab. So go to tracking at the top. And then we're going to start with, as you see here, we'll slide those right over to the side. We're going to start with offers. So let's go to offers. You see I've got all kinds of stuff in here. Let's go get an offer. We can delete EWA. They just went down the tubes. No. And they are gone. Let's go get, we'll just start from scratch because you guys are going to have nothing. Let's go to Neverblue. I don't use these guys too much anymore, but they are a great network. All right. Okay, so we're just going to go get an offer from Neverblue here. Let's go to campaigns. Okay, doesn't really matter what. I've got a bunch of good stuff here. Let's do a toolbar. Coupons. What is that? Toolbars. And let's see. Career search toolbar pays $335 a lead, which is going to be an install. So we're going to do US. We're going to click on that offer. Web and search. Well, Twitter's on the web. We're doing this for demonstration purposes anyway, but that social network, yeah, that probably is not okay for what we're about to do, but what are they going to do? Beat me up? Let's see. So I agree to terms. Oh, they want me to actually, please take the time to actually read the terms. Okay. Wow, look at all that. Close window. All right, so let's go get a search creative. All right, so now we've got our link right down here. I'm going to take this link, new tab, test that real quick. We're sorry, it's not compatible with Macs. Well, anyway, we are going to Better Career Search, and that is just fine. That is what we want. So we've got our link on the clipboard. We're going to head back over to Simple Engine. Right here, you can create, how I organize this by networks, which I believe is the intended use of this. So I've already created a Neverblue network. But basically, if you're with Millionaire Mindset Network or whatever network, you can just hit add, create the network name right here, again, just for organizational purposes. And then you can start putting your offers in that network. So this is a Neverblue offer, so we're gonna go into Neverblue. Here we'll add an account. Jose's got this set up so you can really manage a lot of data with Simple Engine. It's really awesome. So a lot of the big CPA guys, I'll recommend having multiple CPA accounts to kind of spread things around in case there's a problem. So from here, you can actually have, if you had 10 Neverblue accounts, or 10 accounts at 20 networks, you can actually organize those and keep track of everything and what offers where and all that. I simply have one at Neverblue, so you can hit add though to add additional accounts. Go ahead and add your account here with the affiliate network you're using, and we'll just dive down one more level there. Got a hydroxytone offer there that looks like I promoted at some point. We're going to go ahead and add the offer we just picked. We're going to call this search. Create a search toolbar. Go ahead and paste the affiliate link in right there. Our payout was $335. And we're just going to leave the rest blank for right now. Go ahead and hit OK. And we are done with the first step. So right now we have our offer loaded. So now, staying on the tracking tab right here, we're going to go over to projects, our next of the big four here. Tracking projects. I'm going to make a group called Simple Engine Training. All right. Our first project is going to be video 1. Again, these are all for organizational purposes. You can really name them whatever you like. Now we are in our project. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Project Sense and add an Offer Sense group. We'll call this group Toolbars. Go ahead and leave all the other settings at default. Hit OK. And then we're going to go right here and add an offer. We're going to select our network, which today was Neverblue. We're going to select our account. And then we're going to select our offers. And it'll come up intuitively with the offers that we have added. And it was Career Search Toolbar. It is not a mobile offer. It is not an international offer. This one was US. And the text down here, this is going to come in handy in later lessons. But right now, it really doesn't matter. You can just leave it at the default. So go ahead and hit OK. And now we've completed the offer sense step. So offer, we created our offer. We've created a project. Once in the project, we go to Project Sense and create an Offer Sense group. And now we're all set. We just go get the link. So here we're going to hit Generate Link. For the purposes of this, let's see. You can set up a lot of these organizational things right here. But our project's already set at Video 1. Our traffic source is going to be Twitter today. So as you start to pick different traffic sources, you can add them with this little green button right here. And hit just my network. Today we're going to use Twitter though, which I already have added. So we'll select Twitter. And again here, you can have 20, 30, 50 Twitter accounts. Select which ones you're going to, or which one you're going to use today. We're going to select our campaign. This is all for tracking purposes. Here, I'm just going to select campaign 1. A lot of the times I just have a campaign 1 there if I'm not going to be tracking this statistic, or I only have one campaign. Just leave it right there. Our cost per click today is going to be 0. Leave this method with as is, JS meta redirect. Select your creative. Since we're, at this point we can start adding different creatives. and we can track which ones and split test different creatives. Right now we're just going to use creative 1 for this. And we're going to select our target is going to be offer sense group because that's what we used. We'll go over LP sense in another video. Offer sense group. All right, we're going to select the group is toolbars, which we created earlier as well. Now we've got all this info entered. We're going to hit generate link. Okay, so here is our link. Go ahead and copy this. And I like to have this just out on a notepad somewhere. Let's see where I can use that notepad. 50 notes in here. All right. All right, so here we've got our link. Now anything we put after this KW equals, that's short for keyword, but really could be anything. We'll just call it post 1 for this. Oh, you know what? We'll put in our hashtag. We'll put, I'm going to do hash jobs or hash hiring. Actually, we'll do both. So we'll do hash JO jobs and don't use the ampersand or anything like that here. Just don't use any characters. Just got to be all letters, no spaces. Hash jobs hiring. I'll know what I mean there. And this is really just kind of for your own notes. H-I-R-I-N-D. All right. So now we've got this link. I'm going to set up. We'll do pixels in another video. I'm going to put these all in chunks. So that you can go back for reference if you have problems instead of having one big hour-long video or anything like that. Also breaks it up easier for me to do one each day. So now we've got our link, and we can post this all over the place. We can change whatever is after the KW to whatever we're currently doing, and Simple Engine will track that for us. For instance, if it was a keyword, you can dynamically insert a keyword into Google or Bing. I think it's bracket, keyword, bracket. And Google will insert that for you. So just using this one link across 10,000 keywords will actually show you which keyword got the sale or got the clicks. Let's see. So we're going to copy that. I'll hide this. Now we've got our link. Close that up. We're going to go over to tracking, statistics. And I'll show you how we're going to look at this stuff here in just a minute. But first, we're going to go to Live Data, Live View, and hit Start. This is a cool feature that lets you see clicks in real time. So if you've ever run, you see some of the stuff I've recently got clicks on when I'm using Simple Engine here. If you've ever, sorry, it's the head cold. Whenever you run a campaign or you're going to do something that you expect to be getting clicks right away, it's cool to, like, I'll set this up on my laptop, turn and be working on my other Mac, and I can look over and see as the clicks are coming in real time. Kind of cool stuff. All right, so let's go over to our Twitter account here, and we're just going to do a new tweet because we'll get some results off of this right off the bat. So, new tweets. What's this? Tweet. Cool tool I just found in my job search. Go ahead and paste in our link. And actually I don't do Twitter too much here, but then we'll throw in the real hashtag, hash JOB, hash hiring. All right, and it looks like we can probably hit hash jobs in there. You could actually tweet these all individually, I guess, and be able to track each one. Work. All right, So go ahead and, actually, before I tweet that, let's go ahead and switch over to this. I'm going to pop this out. So you can see over here in real time, right when we tweet this. And let's go ahead and tweet that right now. All right, boom. Look at this. We're already getting clicks coming in here. Career search toolbar. Firefox. Now what we're looking at here is we've got some stats. This is the time of the click, or time and date of the click, the project it was under, our keyword that's tracked right here, the offer that we're promoting, the IP it came from, the type of browser someone was using, the platform they're on, often Windows, Mac, that sort of thing. This little red circle icon right here is whether it's a bot or not. Although I do believe, I usually get, when I do a tweet, I usually get about 10 bots right off the bat. Sometimes you'll see that appear here as well, like this was a bot for sure. And if you see the little spy guy in the hat, that is a reviewer that we're currently tracking. Someone we believe to be a reviewer, either at Facebook or Google, so on and so forth. Some really cool info that you won't get with Bitly or other things like that. You can actually use this. You can actually go take your Simple Engine link and then go put it in Bitly and use the stats from both if you really want to do that too. So actually, if I come back here in about 15 minutes, so there'll be some other clicks on here of people who have actually clicked on the link, and I can see who's going through. So that's about it for the day. I'm going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube, and I'll post it in the Team Commission Formula group. Tomorrow, I think I'll do a short one, as it's Saturday, on setting up a pixel. And we'll show you how to set up a pixel so that we can actually see right over here, move my mouse here, where you see this little green recycle symbol. It will come up with a little stack of cash when you make a sale on which link, and you can tell which link and what info made that sale. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope this was helpful. Please post below and let me know if this helped you at all, or if you have questions, so on and so forth. And have a great weekend.